Welcome back to the Health Vault, your trusted space for natural home remedies. Today's video is all about how you can get natural glowing, clear, no acne, no pimple, no dark spots and healthy skin naturally at home in just 7 days. Using simple, powerful home remedies. No chemical, no costly product, just pure natural glow. And these are the celebrity's secret for glowing skin naturally. Try this 7 days challenge and you will definitely continue it as a daily routine after seeing your results. Let's start day by day. You can follow this simple routine every day. And by the 7th day, you will feel and see the magic on your face. Let's get started. Day 1. Turmeric honey face mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix them together and apply on your face for 15 minutes. Then wash with lukewarm water. Turmeric reduces pimples and dull skin. Honey makes your skin soft and glowing. Day 2. Do aloe vera massage. Fresh aloe vera gel or pure store-bought one. Apply aloe vera gel directly and massage it circular motion for 10 minutes. Leave it for 20 minutes, then wash it. Aloe vera soothes skin and removes tan, gives instant freshness. Day 3. Besan cleanser. 2 teaspoons of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of curd, a pinch of turmeric. Apply this paste like a face wash. Scrub gently for 5 minutes and wash. It reduces dead skin, oil and gives a clear, bright look. Day 4. Rice water toner plus rose water spray. Water from boiled rice, cool it. Rose water in spray bottle. Use rice water as a toner using cotton, then spray rose water on your face. It tightens pores, lightens skin tone and adds natural glow. Day 5. Cucumber and lemon ice cubes. Blend cucumber juice plus lemon juice, pour into ice cube tray and freeze. Rub 1 ice cube on face for 2 minutes. It reduces dark spots, puffiness and refreshes skin instantly. Day 6. Sandalwood face pack. 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, rose water to mix. Apply this paste and leave for 15 minutes. Wash with cold water. Sandalwood helps to reduce acne, pigmentation and gives a soft glow. Day 7. Milk and saffron night glow. Raw milk, 2-3 strands of saffron. Dab it on your face before sleeping using cotton. Leave overnight. Milk nourishes and saffron adds a golden natural glow. Along with these remedies, follow this habit daily. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Eat fruits like papaya, apple and citrus fruits. Avoid junk and oily foods. Sleep for at least 7 hours. Wash your face twice a day. Use sunscreen if going out. Skin glow starts from inside. So eat clean, stay happy and take care of your skin naturally. If you follow this 7-day skin glowing routine, you will definitely see the change. Let us know your results in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe the Health Vault for more natural health tips. Stay happy, stay glowing and see you in the next video.